Hi, teacher and classmates. My name is Amy Rodriguez. This is the oral presentation English Level 2. First, I introduce myself. Second, I talk about my trip experience in San Andres Island. Three, the weather in San Andres Island. And finally, recommendation if you go to San Andres Island. First, introduce myself. My name is Amy Rodriguez. I am 23 years old. I live in Bogota. I give personalized math classes. I like sports, spend time with my family, and go to the movies. In the picture are my family, my daughter, and my husband. My trip experience in San Andres Island. Okay, in the stage 1, I am going to talk about my experience in San Andres Island. Last vacation, I went to San Andres Island. I went with my daughter and my husband, and we stayed there 1 week. We visited several hotels of the travel agency on vacation, with all services included, lodging, food buffet, and tourism. So this was great because I didn't have to worry about anything. Everything was done. We were in island of Yonicky, Morgan Cove, Flower Hall, among others. We were enjoyed to the beach and the sea of 7 colors too. The weather was very sunny and hot. As for the beaches, they were very nice and attentive people. It was a great trip, and we hope to be again there soon. This is a picture of San Andres Island. Here is my daughter. Okay, stage 2. Tips of recommendation. In San Andres Island, it is important that people use sunblock lotion at the beach. It is a good idea that people wear light clothing. It is recommended that people take pictures of everything. It's better that people drink enough water during the day. It is necessary that people use sports shoes. It is essential that people know to throw garbage in the sea or on the beach. It is advisable that people use mosquito repellent, and it is better that people use sunglasses. Stage 3. What you should do in San Andres Island? You should prepare the access card in Gustavo Rojas Pinilla Airport. You should wear clothing according with the weather, and you should check prices for lodging and food. What you shouldn't do? You shouldn't spend much money. You shouldn't carry too many luggage. You shouldn't lose identification documents. Thank you.